Hey there folks, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to desolder copper pipes and fittings. This may be necessary if you have a leak in your fitting and you need to resolder it, or if you need to remove the fitting and replace it with a new one and you don't want to actually cut the pipe. So to do this process, we're going to be using a pair of pliers, a couple of brushes to clean off the old solder, and of course our torch. So we're going to go ahead and start heating up this portion here to melt the old solder. So we're just going to torch this till the old solder starts to melt. And you'll know it's time. You can wiggle it every now and again, but when you start to see the solder bubbling, then it's good to remove. Alright, so while the old solder is nice and hot, we're just going to wipe it down with a cloth real quick, just to clean it up. Nice and easy. And before you put your old fitting on, just clean up the end there. Alright, and if you're reusing the old fitting and just fixing a leak, you can heat this back up with the torch and clean it out with your brush. But if you're just getting rid of the old fitting and putting a new one on, no worries. Just put your new one on, prepare it as you would to solder a pipe, and you're good to go. That's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful. And as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.